Hello everyone. Can we imagine to live in dark world? Eyes are very important organ and it's very precious organ for all of us and they connect us to see the beautiful world. And in the last decades, lot of technologies and techniques have made the cataract surgery very safe and successful. Now we are thinking not in terms of visual acuity, we are thinking in terms of the quality of vision and to achieve the best contrast sensitivity so that we can give perfect vision at all time. And the femtosecond cataract surgery is the new technology which dictates about the quality of vision. Femtosecond machine takes all measurements through OCT, and for layman we can say that it's a kind of ultrasonic device through which we take measurements of cornea, we take the measurements of the lens. Hardly in 25 to 30 seconds time, not only it makes the absolutely central opening in the capsule and it divides the nucleus in fragments. The whole process hardly takes around 3 to 4 minutes time and it is absolutely painless for the patient. We make the cornea less sensitive by installing the anesthetic eye drops, and the femtosecond laser makes all cuts whether it is in the capsule or in the nucleus without opening the eye. After completing the procedure, we shift the patient into operation theater, and here we enter inside the eye through the side port and main incisions. This female patient was having arcus analis, that is the hazy peripheral circle. Therefore, the incision was not planned to the femtosecond laser. This patient has delayed her surgery, therefore the nucleus has become very hard, and it was around grade 5 plus. We are still fighting with the old myth in our country where patient used to wait till the cataract becomes mature. Maturity of cataract and hardening of nucleus increase the risk of modern cataract surgery. In this case, you can see, however, I have divided the nucleus in 6 equal fragments through femtosecond laser, but still I struggle to separate the pieces. To make the phaco-fragmentation safer, I personally recommend to divide the nucleus in smaller pieces in the bag, and once you have divided the nucleus in smaller pieces, one by one you can bring the smaller pieces at the level of iris plane and you can finish your phaco-fragmentation. For the beginners, I would recommend that you must supplement viscoelastic, especially the dispersive viscoelastic, to coat the endothelium. And by coating endothelium, you can protect and you can save your cornea. And end of the day, very next day, you'll get better, clear cornea. So I finished my phaco-fragmentation without any problem, and there was not much of cortical matter present. It was only present in the periphery. Center posterior capsule was clear because nucleus was harder. In such cases, usually we don't get epinuclear plate. So I implanted the single piece symphony implant. You can see the multiple rings present on the IOL. Thorough and nice cortical cleanup is the must to achieve good post-op results. You can see well-centered IOL with the excellent Purkinje images overlapping. So the technology have definitely made us more competent to achieve the quality of vision. Thanks for watching.